And what does it have?
It's a vitamin C.
And what is vitamin C?
It's for body.
It's for body.
Leave me alone, please leave me alone.
Guys, room service.
Broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be.
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of More Mau. And आज है 8th of July and tomorrow is Snehalta's birthday. So I'll just tell you what all I did today because आज मैं बहुत जल्दी उठा था. I woke up at 7:30, went for driving at 8 o'clock, came home at 9:30 and then 10 o'clock I was here. फिर 1 घंटा मैंने टाइम पास करा है, बस ऐसे ही लेटा था बेड पे. That's all. So I have had a pretty busy week. मैंने 3 दिन बैक टू बैक पोस्ट करा है. मेन चैनल पे 2 वीडियो गए and then yesterday I posted on this channel and I'm back to vlogging today again. So I have not had food like at all. मेरे घर पे काम चालू हो गया है तो इसलिए मैं स्टूडियो में जल्दी आ गया हूँ because आज 10:30 the 2 workers were gonna come. So मेरे बेडरूम का जो खिड़की है ना उसका ऊपर का मार्बल is just falling off. My house is extremely old and I stay in a very क्या बोलते हैं old building and yes I have a 1 BHK apartment. I am not rich by the way. So वो एक ही बेडरूम है जिसमें मैं और दीदी सोते थे और मॉम डैड बाहर सोते हैं. तो मॉम डैड का हो गया है, वो लोग बाहर सोएंगे बिकॉज आज बेडरूम का काम चल रहा है. तो दीदी एंड आई आर मोस्टली गोना स्टे हियर और वी आर गोना गो टू रंजीत्स हाउस टू स्टे. आई मीन शेवीज हाउस. सो इफ वी डू दैट यू विल गेट टू सी शेवी एज वेल इन टुडेज वीडियो. आई हैव नो आइडिया क्या होने वाला है बट कल तो पक्का आपको दिखी जाएगी बिकॉज कल बर्थडे है ताई का तो कल तो हो जाएगा. सो आई वॉन्ट टू शो यू माई haul. Okay, I have like this channel is gonna change so rapidly. I am showing you this haul like tissue box, then I got kachre ki theli. This is biodegradable by the way, and I got cranberry juice as well but वो मैं घर पे भूल गया हूँ and I have to change the bed sheet. Look at this. तो मेरे पास 2 गद्दे हैं, that is the orthopedic one and this is the cotton one. तो मुझे अभी बेड शीट चेंज करनी है. Let's go.
Bubble wrap and shiny cars. I'll let them pass this time. No need to sleep. I won't get far. Just follow in the light.
Hi guys, so it's almost 7:30 and I just passed out because of the pain. I got my jumps right now and it's just too much. I feel only this is the time when I feel that it's a curse being a woman. Otherwise I just love being a woman. But ये बहुत unfair है यार. Like why just we go through this every month? I mean it's so unfair. भगवान. But I'm feeling better. I had to take the medicine because मेरे को बहुत काम pending था and अगर मैं medicine नहीं लेती तो I would have just literally passed out on the bathroom floor. So I took the medicine and I know it's bad but it's not worth it यार. Like इतना pain सहना once a month is fine. I don't pop pills so it's okay. Once a month I can take the painkiller. It's okay. It's worth it whenever I have work. Mom dad are not coming tonight तो आज मैंने already cake मंगा लिया है ताई के लिए from Theobroma. So she likes that pineapple cake, fruit cake, so I ordered that. तो वो लेके हम जा रहे हैं अभी ताई के घर. By the way ताई stays only like 2-3 buildings away from my house, so walking distance है, so all good, no issues. And what else? I know a lot of the comments, like I was reading comments, okay, last vlog पे almost 1000 comments होने आए हैं and everybody's like how do you work every day, you're posting every day and rest and this that. I'll tell you why it's happening. It's because I am not doing fine mentally, okay. So this is my coping mechanism that I mentally and physically exhaust myself to a point where I will just pass out at night because I have an issue while sleeping. I just don't sleep like this. Bhakti Didi on the other hand, she just sleeps like a dead person in 2 minutes. Me on the other hand, not like that. Like I am just tossing and turning the whole night. So this is what I'm doing. So आज मैं सुबह 7:30 को उठी हूँ and I'm extremely tired. मैं ड्राइव करके आया, then I was working and now I'm going to Snehhalta's house. अभी 12 बजे we are gonna celebrate her birthday. कुछ करने नहीं वाले, बस केक काटने वाले हैं. So yeah, I am happy that I am getting exhausted. So that is the reason why you are seeing so many videos, is because I want to tire myself. I'm doing this on purpose. Energy नहीं है मुझ में. Please ये सब मत करना. आप मुझे देख के ऐसे सब मत करना, okay? This is what works for me. That's why I do it, because I feel that खाली दिमाग शैतान का घर होता है. So I feel if I sit in bed and just crib about things and you know just feel sad about myself and just overthink about things, it's gonna get worse. Yes. But what is this mess? This is Chevy's room, guys, and this is how it is. Like, what is this?
I know.
What do you know?
Mom! Mommy! Get water!
What are you gonna show them?
How to make up and magic.
This is Chevy's kitchen, you guys. Look at this. Chevy चालू होता ना गैस, यहाँ से पानी भी आता है. Look at this. How cool. Then this is, what is this, fridge, no?
Yes, this is fridge.
आणि आतमध्ये what is this?
Fruity juice.
Fruity juice.
This is oven. Switch on buttons. Time on your things to see how much we are putting on gas.
One last time, just follow in the light. I know this means a lot to you, guardian eyes and detective suits.
Where to keep? Should we keep it on the dining table or no? Get that छोटू stool now.
Leave me alone, please. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, please. Leave me alone.
बस.
अरे येते हवा बंद करा का कोणी? माझं कोणी ऐकतच नाही या घरामध्ये.
हे दुकान काय?
हा तुझा काढते मी. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Snehal ताई. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Okay. Happy birthday. Happy.
The next day.
Shavi, what have you put on your face?
I put on all face back on my wig.
And what does it have?
This is vitamin C.
And what is vitamin C?
It's for body.
It's for body. Good morning, guys. We woke up. I think बहुत दो घंटा हो गया होगा, and I'm just chilling. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go to the studio real quick because मुझे थोड़ा काम है. तो वो करके I'll come back for lunch. And my nose is kind of peeling because of salicylic acid. So pro tip, use it only where you need it. Do not use it all over your face, especially on the crevices of your nose and also around your mouth, in case you're using salicylic acid by any brand.
Fools drift into deep space, so brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so close.
Many hours later.
Look what I'm wearing. ये भक्ति दीदी से borrow करा है और ये स्नेहल ताई से borrow करा है. Everybody is like properly dressed up. Look at Chevy.
Waters stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
4 days later. It's 13th of July and I took a break. I was so exhausted because I was doing back and forth. I still am doing back and forth from my studio to my house because घर पे काम चल रहा है, as I said. तो painting का देखना पड़ता है, color shade and everything. My father always wants me to select everything because I'm very picky like that. But it's time to get back to work. 3 days का बहुत मतलब आराम मिल गया मेरे को. All I did was sleep in my bed, eat, drink a lot of cranberry juice and water. Also I have a water bottle right next to my bed. So as I said, I was sleeping here for 3 days. So you know मेरे bed के बाजू में सब था and I don't have the क्या बोलते हैं luxury to sleep alone in my room. Like I never had my own bedroom, so this is like my own bedroom, this studio. I have to shave my face. Like if you see, the growth is just crazy. Like I have so much growth on my face and also I'm getting a pimple in between my brow. Yay! I don't thread my face or epilate my face. The only thing I do is shave off the hair because when you do your makeup now, it sits so beautifully and also your skincare penetrates in your skin layers really well if you don't have that extra layer of hair on your face. So for today's video, I'm gonna be using these cute razors by Carmessi. This is how the outer packaging looks like. You get 3 razors for 299 rupees. I feel it's a steal because you have to invest in good quality facial razors because if you're using cheap razors, trust me, your skin and your face is gonna go for a toss. So I'm gonna use one of these razors and just let me just show you the packaging first. So they give you the plastic cap as well, so you're not gonna cut anything. It's safe to travel with as well and it has this zigzag pattern going on. I hope you guys can see. It is not like sharp like a knife. So the Tinkle razors, you know, जो आते हैं मैं पहले यूज करती थी, they have like a sharp blade. They don't have any zigzag pattern. It is actually like a knife. It can cut you, so always look for razors which have this zigzag pattern. It's very safe to use on face like that. Also the grip on this razor is so good. Like it is anti-slip, you know, it's not gonna slip from your hand. I really like it and also it is stainless steel. So let's get started. First what we're gonna do is go wash our face. Alright, so I have washed my face and tied my hair up. I'm also getting a pimple in between my brows, so I'm not gonna shave over there. Let's get started. I think I'm gonna do my sideburns first. The best thing I found about these razors is that उन्होंने ना अच्छे से लिखा हुआ है कि exactly करना कैसे है shave. So if you are a newbie, you would literally need nothing, okay, nothing else, just this carton and you know how to shave your face. You have to moisturize and then follow these steps. They have also given this diagram, so I think that's a really good thing. Like I've never seen this in any other brands. That's a good thing. I think it's amazing when brands do that. I mean, sometimes people just don't know how to shave and then, you know, they just end up doing something else only. So it's good that उन्होंने लिखा हुआ है सब packaging पे. I'm using an aloe vera gel because that gives a very smooth shave and also it will not give you red bumps later and it will also give a clean shave and it will not hurt you at all. So hold your skin tight. I'm gonna decrease the brightness so you guys can see what's happening on my skin. Hold the skin tight and start going in downward direction. Can you see the peach fuzz coming out? Yeah, over there. So keep tissues handy. Once you are done, just wipe that off and repeat. So I like to go here as well because यहाँ पे काफी peach fuzz होता है. Washed my face now and I'm completely done shaving my face. My face feels so soft. After this you have to moisturize, so I'm using my Nutriderm lotion, best moisturizer, one of the best moisturizers ever. So I'm gonna take just this much and nicely moisturize the areas which I've shaved first. Also, once you are done shaving, you are supposed to wash your razor with plain water, no soap, nothing, and then just dry it off properly and then put on the cap and you can reuse it later. I like to change my razor every say 1.5 months. You guys know that I would always recommend products which really work for me, and iske pehle I used to use the Miniso razors, you remember, and those were like the best razors I used to feel, but these have beaten them, trust me on that. These are so convenient, and also the shave is so smooth. These blades give such a sharp shave. I think they are worth the money, and 300 rupees is a good deal for 3 razors. Please invest in good razors if you're gonna start shaving now, or if you have already started shaving. Right now they have their monsoon sale going on, so everything is on flat 20% off on their website, but these products are also available on Amazon. All the links are mentioned in the description box. I have a coupon code which is flashing on screen right now. You can use it to get some more discount, but also I'm not gonna earn anything because of that code. Just by the way, it is just for you guys. Alright guys, I am all set. I have done my makeup. My makeup glided so smoothly on my skin, and this is the setup. My ring light is there, my Sony is here, and I'm just gonna shoot the video which I have been wanting to do since a very long time, which is on your skin concerns and all about skincare. So I asked on my Instagram recently to send your skin queries, and I have a bunch of them. So I'm gonna talk about a lot of skin issues, like those white dots you get, skin purging, what is skin purging, how to test ingredients like active ingredients on your skin, what all to keep in mind, and all of that. So I think it's gonna be a very informative video. Watch out for that. It's gonna be posted on my main channel. If you're new here, hi, I am Manasi, and this is my second channel, by the way. My first channel is about skincare and beauty and makeup and whatnot.
The next day.
हाँ, भूलना नहीं है बिल्कुल भी. हाँ चाल से. ठीक है, कूल, बाय गाइज. रूम सर्विस, मेरे कपड़े फोल्ड हो रहे हैं, वेरनास सब क्लीन करना, पूरा का पूरा क्लीन करना है ये सब. ऑल्सो
2000 रुपये लेगी.
Hey you guys, so I just completely forgot to vlog yesterday because I had my friends over, Kiran, Sahil, CK, and we were just chilling. We were playing sequins, we went for a short drive, and it was just so amazing. I had not met CK for a very long time. We had to catch up on life and what is happening, and I think the friends that I have right now, I don't talk to them every day, you know, and it's not even necessary to talk to your friends every day. You need to have those friends जिनके साथ आपका bond everlasting है, you know what I mean. Whenever you meet, you just click and you just tell everything to each other. So yeah, that is it for today's vlog. I hope you liked it. I'm pretty sure it's a long vlog, so I have to sit and edit now, and I'll see you in my next one. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye.